I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to view and copy your Instagram profile QR code. So first we'll open up our profile by clicking the icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Then we'll click Share Profile. Now here you'll see a QR code. You can have somebody scan this if you want. They can pull out their Instagram, scan this particular QR code, and then they will pull up your account and be able to follow you. You can also tap color at the top to change to emoji, or you can have it be to selfie. You can basically take this image right here, and I'll just do that really quick. Now it shows your selfie. You can change it to any image you'd like, and again, color. If you tap the background, you'll change the color. You can show this wherever you'd like. You can download this, share it to any other socials. You can tap Share Profile, and then it will pull up, obviously your share options. You could send it in a message, or you could copy the link and paste that link to anywhere you'd like to share your new profile image to. And now you know how to use your QR code to have somebody follow you, and you can share it wherever you'd like.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.